Confused about using Wix to build a WordPress site? Let's clear up that mystery in 90 seconds. First, the straight answer: no. You can't directly build a WordPress website using Wix. They are completely different platforms. Wix is a closed-source, drag-and-drop website builder, known for its ease of use. WordPress, on the other hand, is an open-source content management system (CMS), offering incredible flexibility and control, but with a steeper learning curve. Think of it like this: Wix is like renting a fully furnished apartment, and WordPress is like building your own house. Functionally, one is a simpler website builder, and the other one is a powerful content management system. Now, can you integrate elements? Kind of. You can't directly transfer a Wix site to WordPress, but you can replicate designs or embed certain content using code. For instance, if you like a specific button style on Wix, you could try to recreate it using CSS in WordPress. It is going to require some design know-how and coding, or perhaps getting some WordPress themes and templates. You can also manually transfer content like images, text, and videos from your Wix site to your new WordPress site. Simply download the content from Wix and upload it to WordPress. So, while you can't build a WordPress site on Wix, you can draw inspiration from Wix's design elements and manually transfer your content. Choose the platform that best fits your needs and technical skills. Good luck.